Wow, look how beautiful it is.
Yeah, and the animals are here too.
Hi, little fox.
Hello, turtle friend.
Wow, a butterfly. It's so pretty. It's magical. I want to see.
It's coming closer.
Are you sure this is the way?
Don't worry, we'll stick together. This way. I know a shortcut.
Okay, let's go.
I can help find him.
Really? Thank you. We're getting closer.
I can smell him!
You're doing great.
Ribbit!
Thanks. Your turn, Fox. Woo! Did you hear that?
He's there.
Tiny! We found you! Thank you for helping us.
That's what friends do.
What a beautiful day for a walk. Yep, the best.
I love our adventures together.
Me too, slow and steady.
We couldn't have done it without you.
Friends always help.
This entire animation you're watching right now was created using only free AI tools. No professional 3D software, no animation background, and zero prior experience. Sounds unbelievable, right? But there's one major problem most creators run into. Nearly 90% of AI-generated animations fail for one simple reason: character inconsistency. One scene looks amazing, cinematic, and polished. Then suddenly, in the very next shot, the character looks completely different. The face changes, the clothes change, the style shifts, and the illusion is broken. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple, proven workflow that solves this issue completely. You'll learn how to keep your characters consistent from the first scene to the last, and how to create studio-quality cartoon animations using only free tools. And this is important. If you've experimented with AI animation before, you already know the frustration. You finally generate that one perfect image. Then the next image looks like it belongs to a different movie. That's not because AI is bad. That's not a technology limitation. It's a workflow problem. Once you fix the workflow, everything changes. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to lock in character identity, build full animated stories, produce clean animation without watermarks, and do all of it step by step without guessing. So, let's begin. You're in the right place. Relax, I'll guide you through everything.
So let's begin the tutorial right away so we don't waste time on the introduction. First, we will go to ChatGPT, as you can see. Then we'll open this file. I will provide you with this file, which contains the main prompt for generating the story. The only thing you need to change in this prompt is the story itself, specifically this paragraph that contains the story I want to generate. You can replace it with any story that suits you, but leave everything else exactly as it is. Now we copy the entire prompt like this, go back to ChatGPT, paste it here, and press enter. As you can see, ChatGPT gives us a complete prompt to generate the story from beginning to end. But I want to point out something very important. This first prompt must be included in every image prompt. For example, in the first stage or first scene of the story, we take this prompt to generate the image. Then we use another prompt to turn that image into a video. First, we take the image generation prompt, but we must always include the character consistency prompt in all image prompts so that the images, or more precisely, the characters, remain consistent throughout all stages of the story. So, first, as I told you, we take this prompt to this website. I will leave all the websites I use linked below the video. Then we return to ChatGPT to copy the consistency prompt so the characters stay consistent throughout the whole story. For example, here we open a parentheses like this. We paste the prompt, then close the parentheses. As I said, this prompt will be used in all parts of the story. Now we click Generate and wait for the first image. Then we return to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for Scene 2, as you can see here. We go back to the tool and paste it here. We keep the consistency prompt exactly as it is. Here is the first image we generated.
Now we click Generate again to get the second image. We continue like this until we generate all the images for the story. We go to Scene 3, copy its prompt, return to the website, replace only this part with the new prompt, and click Generate. This way, we obtain all the images needed for the story. I will finish generating all the images and come back to you so we can move on to the third stage, which is turning the images into videos using an excellent and completely free tool. Don't leave the video. Stay with us to get all the details for creating stories like this. In the next stage, we go to another website called Leonardo. I will leave all the tool links in the video description. We copy the prompt, but before generating the image, we return to ChatGPT. I want you to focus on something important. At the beginning, ChatGPT gave us this prompt specifically for image consistency throughout all stages of the story. This prompt will be used in every step to keep all images stable and consistent. We go back to the website, open a parentheses, press Ctrl-V to paste the prompt. Here's a professional tip that many YouTube creators don't mention. Read the prompt carefully to identify the characters included so you only keep the correct ones in the consistency prompt. For example, here we only have Lily and Mia, and the fox is not present, so we remove the fox from the consistency prompt to avoid character overlap. The first prompt contains only 3 characters. Then we click Generate. You must pay attention to these details to get professional and consistent characters in your story. While the images are generating, we go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for Scene 3. Look at the image quality. It's beautiful. Now we remove only the Scene 2 prompt, not the consistency prompt, and paste the new Scene 3 prompt. We check the characters in this scene: Lily, Mia, Tiny, and the fox. This step is just to verify which characters are present. Then we paste the prompt and go back to the website, since all 4 characters appear in this scene. Then we click Generate. Here are the images for Scene 3. Look at the quality and detail. Now we move to the next scene. Pay attention to this step to get professional images, because most beginners make mistakes with consistency and end up with mixed prompts and inconsistent characters. We copy the prompt for the scene and check which characters appear. We have Lily, Mia, and the fox. The turtle is not present because it is missing, so we remove the turtle from the consistency prompt, then click Generate. I wanted to explain this method so you can get all your images consistent with the story. Now I'll finish generating all the images and come back to move to the stage of turning them into videos. As you can see, after generating all the images, I numbered them so they match the story order. Now we move to the next stage, converting images into videos. This is the tool we'll use. It's very popular and called Crea, and for now, it's free. After signing up with your email, click Imagine, then paste the prompt here. We add the prompt along with the dialogue, then upload the first image. After it uploads, we generate the video. Before generating, we return to ChatGPT to copy the image to video prompt. We paste it into the tool, upload the first image, and the tool converts it into an animated video. Look at the video quality. The camera moves around the characters in a professional cinematic way. To download it, click this arrow. Then we return to Imagine, go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for Scene 2, paste it, and upload the second image. The tool automatically converts it into a high-quality animated video. We repeat this process for all scenes, then move to the final stage, editing. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support us so we can continue making this kind of content using free tools. Here's another important tip. Sometimes the tool generates dialogue automatically, which may not match your script. If that happens, edit the prompt and tell the tool to use the exact dialogue you provided. After editing, regenerate the video, and you'll get the correct version. You can adjust the prompt here, click Regenerate, and it will update the video. This is how you fix unwanted dialogue. After converting all images into videos, number them to keep everything organized for editing. Now we open CapCut and click Create Project. Import all the videos in order. Then go to Transitions and choose one that fits your video. Apply it between clips, adjust the duration, then click Apply to All. Look at the video quality and character consistency throughout the entire story. After that, you can add effects for a cinematic look. Then go to Text Editor to generate auto captions. Choose English and click Generate. Choose a caption style template that fits your video. Once editing is finished, click Export, choose where to save the video, and export it. And this is the final result.
Wow, look how beautiful it is.
Yeah, and the animals are here too.
Hi, little fox.
Hello, turtle friend.
Wow, a butterfly. It's so pretty. It's magical. I want to see.
It's coming closer.
Are you sure this is the way?
Don't worry, we'll stick together. This way, I know a shortcut.
Okay, let's go.
I can help find him.
Really? Thank you. We're getting closer.
I can smell him!
You're doing great.
Ribbit!
Thanks. Your turn, Fox. Woo! Did you hear that?
He's there.
Tiny! We found you! Thank you for helping us.
That's what friends do.
What a beautiful day for a walk. Yip, yip, the best.
I love our adventures together.
Me too, slow and steady.
We couldn't have done it without you.
Friends always help.
It's wonderful, isn't it? So that's everything. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss new content. Thank you again for watching, and see you in the next video.